Here I have HTC U12 Plus, and let me show you how to activate this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the welcome panel. Here you've got the list of the available languages that you can use. In my case, let me simply choose English. Alright, let's choose your region, so it could be the United States. You may also change some vision settings right here, for example the font size, or enable the talkback, and here you can use the emergency and make some emergency call if you need something. If not, let's choose let's go. Here you can connect your device to one of the available Wi-Fi. It's not necessary, but I usually recommend this step because you can do more with your internet access. So let me choose my Wi-Fi. The device is obtaining the IP address and the phone is connected. Choose next. Here you've got terms of use, so let me agree to all of them. The device is looking for some available updates. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Here you can sign in into the Google account. It's also not necessary, but Google account enables some interesting features, so let me do it. Let me connect my device. You can do it in two ways. You can create a new account right here, or you can sign in into the existing Google account. So let me use the existing one. Let's enter the email. Tap next. Let's enter the password. Let me do it. Alright, if you are ready, let's choose next right here. Tap agree to the terms of service. The device is getting the account information. Here you can use some backup, or you can choose don't restore. You can set up your device as a new. Here you've got the Google services that you can enable or disable. For example, backup to Google Drive, help apps find your location, improve location accuracy, and send system data. In my case, let me leave all of them enabled. Tap agree. Tap next. Here you can use some assistant permissions. In my case, let me choose no thanks. The device adding some finishing touches. You can sign in into the HTC account, or you can choose skip for now. Choose don't use. Tap next to the following information. Set up later to the edge sense. Here you can protect your device by using some kind of the screen lock, such as the fingerprint, face unlock, or some other. Let me choose skip for now. Skip anyway. You can personalize your device, or you can use the default settings. Here you've got the list of the popular apps that you can use. In my case, let me don't install any apps right here. Let me just unclick the following applications and tap finish. The device is finishing the setup process. And now you can use your device. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.